Hello students, welcome back to the class. We have completed 4A and Mr. about Satyajit we got to know. Now we are going to come to the part of, we are going to learn about Maya Bazaar. How many of you have watched the movie Maya Bazaar? I don't know. If you didn't watch it. What are graphics, present films, Bahubali or something like that? In these films you are going to see. Of course, in this generation it is not an easy job, it is not a tough job, graphics introduction and used to come. But in those days also, graphics, Mr. K.V. Reddy, who had shown what a film is. Still today, you know, the most popular film in Telugu, if any name comes, that is Maya Bazaar. Great film and a very humorous film. If we can say that what is comedy means nowadays, of course in these films you can see, but what is graphics also present films you can see, what are characters also we can see present days. But a great film who had which had mixed up with all the qualities, you know, that is Maya Bazaar. Making of Maya Bazaar, now we are going to know. Okay, students, a very good opportunity, students. Old films means, of course, now the present generation, they don't welcome, they don't accept the movies which are very old. But Maya Bazaar is not like that. Once if you watch, you will understand why old is old. 100% absolutely a great film. Even openly I am talking, if this film comes in TV, you know, I'll stop and I will watch. Because it has got a good sequence. Everything will be, I will find in this movie. Okay? Shall we know more about we'll know about in a detailed way about the film of Maya Bazaar now. Okay? K.V. Reddy's Maya Bazaar. Even the title also, K.V. Reddy's Maya Bazaar has been voted as the greatest Indian film. Yeah, not greatest. Even the greatest word, you know, if you have defined it in a very great way, even that word also is eligible for this film. Online poll conducted by a television news channel. Yeah, online poll, what, even 1000 members you ask, even 999 members will say that Maya Bazaar is the best movie. The poll was conducted to find out Indians' greatest film till date. On the occasion of 100 years of Indian cinema, and people choose Maya Bazaar. 100 years we had completed a decade. Our Indian film industry has completed 100 years, a decade it has completed. So one television channel, it has, when they have been polled the votes, most of them they have chosen the film of Maya Bazaar. And over the Indian classical movie, a number one classical movie is Maya Bazaar. We can show the brightness and even in color also it had come. Of course, when it was directed, it was black and white. The film is considered one of the enduring classics of Indian cinema and was christened as a landmark achievement of Indian film cinematography. Art direction and VFX with the available technology during that time. The following is an interview on the film when it is celebrated the Golden Jubilee in 2007. So Golden Jubilee functions when they were held of Indian cinema 100 years in the year 2007. Actually, the detailed information about this film we had got. Okay, in those days, you know, the great director, great music director, and also visual mixing, you know, the visual mixing which was done by the film to Maya Bazaar, all are great people, characters, actors, music, director, everything is amazing. Everything is amazing. Now we are going to know Maya Bazaar forever. Maya Bazaar forever. 50 years ago. So 50 years before, director K.V. Reddy, or for that matter, producers Nagireddy and Chakrapani. Nagireddy garu and Chakrapani garu, the famous producers, the most famous producers. Actually, these people are tough people. Nowadays, actors, male actors, female actors, number of characters we may find. But these two people, producers, they used to not accept anyone easily. Okay, Nagireddy and Chakrapani. screen directors, we can say them, would not have imagined what they were unleashing when they decided to make Mayabazar in bilingual Telugu and Tamil. Actually, in Telugu and Tamil at a time they have released in both the languages. The finished product hit the screen in 1957 to become a landmark movie in the Telugu film industry. So when they started making the film, they did not expect that such a great popularity will come to Mayabazar. Mayabazar will become a great landmark and also will get such a popularity to Indian films. They didn't expect it. They didn't expect it. Such a movie it was. But when they had directed, visuals you take, characters you take, actors, because actors also great actors. Mahanati Savitri and N.T. Ramarao and Akkineni Nageshwara Rao garu, all are great people, and S.T. Rangarao garu. See, such great actors and actresses, we don't find them. Such a natural acting. Lord Krishna and Lord Rama means we did not see those goddesses. But one person will come to us before our eyes. He is none other than Mr. N.T. Ramarao garu. Is not it a great actor? Like that Savitri garu. Such a great actress, we don't find her again, I think so. Her eyes only are expressing one. She used to express her feelings and emotions with her eyes. What a beautiful actress. So, all are great people. So, Chakrapani and Nagi Reddy, when they started making the film, they didn't expect the level of reaching this Mayabazar film. And it hit in such a way that for 1 year, it had run in theatres. You know, for 1 year, means 365 days, the Mayabazar film, it has run in the theatres. Nowadays, if we have released the films, only hardly 30 days, immediately, or 30 days, directly OTT. Now, even directly we are going to watch the films in Amazon Hotstar. It's not it. Now, the situation is like that. But in those days, everything, the movie has to be watched in theatre. So for 1 year, they watched the film of Mayabazar in theatres. Just imagine what a craze it had. So when they started making film, they didn't expect it will reach up to there. And for the sterling performances of the star ensemble that it had right from S.V. Rangarao, Savitri, NTR, ANR and Gummadi. But also because K.V. Reddy was in full control over every frame of it. And K.V. Reddy garu is he has full of confidence. This film is going to be rock. There is little else one could expect when all time greats like Marcus Bartley cinematography. If you see the movie of Mahanati, I think all you have watched it. You will not watch the movies of Savitri, but Savitri's biography movie, Mahanati, if you have seen, he will call Bartley, Marcus Bartley. He is a foreign director. He is a Bollywood director, Hollywood director. So, such a Hollywood director, Mr. Marcus Bartley, cinematographer, has worked for the movie of Mayabazar. Great art he had shown to this film. Marcus Bartley and Ghantasala garu. No need of a definition to a magician and musical man of our India is Mr. Ghantasala. Okay, Ghantasala Venkateshwar Rao garu is a person, some great people, some great directors who born in our Indian film industry. If we have come, if such a name comes, in olden days if we go, a great name will be leading forever and ever is Mr. Ghantasala. His full name is Ghantasala Venkateshwar Rao, right? So such a great man he was. See, Marcus Bartley and Mr. Ghantasala and great artists like NTR, ANR, SVR, Gummadi, Savitri, all are great people who worked for this film. Then why the film is not going to be hit? Definitely it will be evergreen hit. And M.L. Vasanta Kumari, Leela, Sushila and Madhava Peddi, playback, and Gokhale and Pasupati choreography and Peethambaram makeup. Those days, few musicians, few directors, few artists, few producers. Nowadays, who has passion, they can come and they can do. But those days are not like that. For them, art is life. artist means his lifespan. So those people who worked for this film, see playback singers also. M.N. Vasanta Kumari, still she was alive. She's a great singer. And also Leela, Sushila, and Madhavapati Suresh. Madhavapati Suresh also is a music director. At that time, he is a playback singer, playback musician. But now he is one of the musicians. Now also he is one of the musical director, Madhavapati Suresh. Okay, and Mr. Gokhale is art, and the choreography is Pasumati, and Pitambaram is makeup. Got together to wave music magic around an episode of Mahabharata and Shashirekha Parineam. Actually, you know, for example, Pitambaram is makeup. No personal artist, no personal makeup man. Now, for one film, for example, one film is there. For every actor, one personal makeup man will be. For every one actor, one personal makeup man will be. It's not it. But those days are not like that. Those days are not like that. Only Pitambaram is there. Now Pitambaram is there. He is a makeup man. For Savitri, for ANR, for NTR, for SPR, to all the people, he is only a makeup man. No personal makeup persistent. But even though the films are good, just imagine, because they followed ethics. They had shown reality, not unnatural concepts. Right? However, the greatness of Mayabazar, about which much is said and written, is just because of these facets alone. Why Mayabazar is hit? Why it is evergreen hit? Why it is the most popular of Indian Telugu films? Why the film has most of the viewers? Even till today also, if that movie comes, just if your grandparents are at home, they don't say no that I will watch the movie. Everybody they will watch, because it has such an interesting concept. It is a tribute to Telugu culture, language and customs of the land. And see here in this Mahabharata concepts and Shashirekha Parineam concepts and Mahabharata concepts. Both they have shown in this film of Mayabazar. Shashirekha Parineam, Mahabharata. And Mahabharata is a concept between Pandavas and Kauravas. What is the relation between Pandavas and Kauravas? What role they play? And how Lord Krishna has submerged these characters? We used to see them. It's not it. So Mayabazar, it had mingled up with this all. Shashirekha Parineam is one concept. Shashirekha is a girl, how she gets married, what lifestyle she used to get, how she got married. It is a long story, right? And what is the relation to this Shashirekha and these Pandavas and Kauravas? How the relation has been formed. This is the story of Mahabharata, Pandavas and Kauravas story, and also the story of Shashirekha Parineam. By taking two concepts, actually, briefly they don't show who were Pandavas, who were Kauravas, and in detailed manner he will not show in this film. But he used to show a lot of humor. The center part of the lesson and the center part of the characters are Abhimanyu and Shashirekha. Abhimanyu and Shashirekha. See, equal importance to the role to the characters of hero and heroine. See, that's what the film they followed in those days. A heroine is not an introduction. Hero only has to be highlighted. Hero only should come. Hero only has to fight. Hero only has to do this. No, like that. Film is a film. A reality. Realistic. When we are watching the film, we will feel that she is Shashirekha, he is Abhimanyu, he is Krishna, he is Rama, he is Pandavas. Apt characters. They used to show. And that's what the magic around the Indian Telugu films. That's what the magic. And that too, Mayabazar, it has followed that. It is a tribute to Telugu culture, language and customs of the land. Actually, our Indian customs are great, right? What our Indian customs they follow, you know them better. How we follow, how we maintain, everything you know it, right? So they followed it and they had shown it in our Indian Telugu films. Most of them had learnt how the marriage will be held, what type of traditions will be. They have shown very, very clearly. The film was watched days soon after its release, because people identified every character of the film with someone they knew in their immediate vicinity, and the audience still do the same now. So when they are watching the film, the characters which they have seen in the film, like Abhimanyu, like Shashrika, and Katutkacha, the character who played the role of Mr. S.P. Rangarao Garu, everybody, we can't say their names also. Such an eligible people they are. Great people. Mr. S.P. Rangarao you take, and Akkineni Nageshwara Garu, and the person who had been a lot of popularity of Mr. N.T. Ramarao Garu. These are great people who had merged with all the different characters to the film of Mayabazar, who got a lot of popularity to this film. Okay, the dialogues written by Pingali Nagendra Rao. See, great man, Mr. Pingali. You can say Pingali in those days. It's his pen name. It's his pen name, Pingali. Pingali Nagendra Rao. As well, the lyrics, and he wrote the lyrics also to the songs, were the same that the people were hearing of their conversations every day. Okay, students, here we had come to the second passage 116, page number 116 we had come. Now, I will continue the remaining lesson in my next video. Just what is your homework, write the glossary of 4B in classroom. Okay, just I gave you the introduction. We are going to know detailed note about the film of Mayabazar. In a very brief manner, we are going to know, students. Thank you so much, and we'll meet in our next video in a detailed information of the film Mayabazar. Thank you so much. Be careful.